Should you do targeted cold outreach? I'm on Reddit again. And this guy says I'm launching an agency next month for web software services. I have identified and I have identified an underserved market and identify a handful of nation United States businesses that would great be candidates for our service. This is not my first agency, however, it's my first time creating a pipeline from scratch. I'm confident in closing once I get the right person I call. However, it would be cold outreach. Any tips in cold emails and cold calling when I have specifically identified things our services could offer these specific businesses. My logic is to use quality outreach rather than 1000 cold emails. Okay, okay. So I did cold email. I did cold email like couple of times. I did low numbers. I did higher numbers. So pretty much, I believe I gave the cold email for my agency. I run a Facebook ads agency, a decent shot. So the thing I would do if I were in your place, say that you have an experience with the agency stuff, but you haven't built a pipeline. So what I would do if I was in your place, I would identify the top 100 businesses I could serve the best. For example, let's say you're selling, I don't know, custom checkout card development and your service is for e-com, and your big value proposition is that you're gonna build a custom checkout process for e-commerce businesses, and you'll be able to help them increase their card conversion rate by 50%. So this is your offer. If you run an e-commerce store, I'm gonna help you increase your card abandonment by 50%. What I would do, I would create a list of 100 businesses that I'm most confident I would help, and I would craft a very simple message. I would be like, hey, I'm pretty confident that I'll be able to increase your conversion rate by this amount because of this factor. I help this store close conversion rate by this amount. So if you're interested, we could discuss it. And I would send like a similar message to 100 people, 100 CEOs, right? I would see how many people would reply to my message, right? For example, if I sent 100 messages, I might get 3, 4, 5 people who reply back. The more people reply, that means my offer is very on point. Then in many cases, like those people, the people who you're trying to sell to, they're busy. So you need to do a follow-up. So do 3 to 4 follow-ups, maybe 5 follow-ups. And I would see how many people reply. Let's say if 10 people reply, I would say, yeah, the offer is good. The offer needs to be seen by more people. I would start adding more people. However, if out of those 100 people nobody replies, if I'm targeting the right person, if I'm sending the email to the CEO or to the decision maker, if nobody is just like saying anything back, probably my offer is not desirable. So you need to be able to reposition the offer and hit those 100 people again, right? If your market is, let's say, e-com store owners, there is a lot of different ways you could position your offer. My thoughts on cold email. I did probably send maybe like 2-3 thousand cold emails, which I know they seem like not that many because I know like 10,000 people, because I know a lot of people are sending 10,000 cold emails. However, for me, for the niche I wanted to do it, I did it very targeted, and I got some decent results out of it. Better results I'm actually getting with Facebook ads, if I have to be honest. So this is how I would start. From the first 100 emails you sent, probably you could get a few clients if your offer is desirable. But I believe a big chunk of your success will be from your offer you sent and the case study you choose to present. And I'm gonna read it and I'm gonna say what other people are saying on Reddit. This guy says, the offer is everything. Keep your emails under 50 words if you can. This guy says, for cold calling, don't start with the hey, how is going? You're a stranger and you don't know and you don't care how they are doing, and they know that. Say your name, say what you do, say how you help them. Don't say I work for, then they don't care and they never heard that business name before. So I think that's relevant. I never did a cold call. I did one cold call in my life. It was miserable. So a lot of people think like on cold emails and like cold calling. On cold calling, I cannot really talk because I haven't tried it. But on cold emails, a lot of people think you need like a secret tool or you need like a secret method or you need some ninja stuff. But it's not like the case. The whole thing comes down to the message you sent, the cold email you sent, your offer, if you could provide some testimonials. And if people really care about it, they'll reply. So it's just a numbers game, right? It's just a numbers game. For me, the first 100 emails I sent, I got on like 2 or 3 calls. It took me pretty much, I think it took me like a whole month of work, but I was able to close a few clients. And this was great for me. This was great for me. So cold email, I believe it's great. It's a very low cost way to sell clients. You don't need much, just an offer. So everything for cold email is between your ears. This was the video for today. My name is Niko. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Check the links in the description below. If you have any questions, mail, comment. And yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.